Hey guys, welcome back again. This is MJ. Today I'll show you how to test phone before you're going to buy a second-hand phone or refurbished phone. So before you're going to buy a second-hand phone, you should test the phone quality, like phone performance, and the camera, display, and all these things. So for this, just go to Play Store and install this app to your buying phone, like Phone Tester Hardware Info. So this is a free app. Go to Play Store and download and install this app to device. And after this, just tap on the phone tester, and here you will get a lot of options like sensor triggers and the Wi-Fi triggers and the telephony, GPS, battery, multi-touch, camera, and system information. So tap on these sensors and you will get all the sensor available in this phone. Look at that, and it's working fine. Yeah, so sensor working fine, and you can check the Wi-Fi and telephony and GPS status and the battery. Okay, the main thing is battery. So tap on the battery and you will get the all information about the battery and the temperature and the status. Okay, right now I'm charging the battery. This is this is showing the charging. And after this, multi-touch test. Yeah, so you can touch the screen to know how exactly touch work. Look at that. Okay, these are two touch support phone. Okay, so yeah, it's working fine. Touch is working fine. Okay, now move to camera. So here you will see the all information about the camera resolution, video resolution, and the length, view angle, sensor size, flash, and front camera. Look at that. So you will get all the information and the condition of the camera and other information of hardware and software. Okay, after the camera, now come to system information. So here you can see the brand, model, device, product code, and model number, and release, operating system, and build, SDK, and the hardware, CPU, like this. All these things, yeah, you can get all these things like CPU and the RAM, display, resolution, and the frequency, density, DPI, and the internal storage and usage storage available. Okay, all these things you can get all the information about your phone or device. Yeah, this is a simple app to check your phone before you go to buy. Or if you want to check your phone, you can check this through using this app. So thanks for watching. See you in next video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much.